If you are having problems with jumpy videos, we do have a solution for that. Go to Google and type in Handbrake. This will pull up the Handbrake website. Click on this, and from there, you will see a Downloads tab. Click on that. It is for Mac, Windows, and I have a Windows, so I will download that one. Now this program is super awesome. It's free to use and it's super safe, so no worries there. After Handbrake has been downloaded, the first thing that I like to do is to create a new folder on my desktop called Converted Videos. This will allow you to know where your converted videos have been saved so they are separated from your original files. Once that folder is ready, go ahead and open Handbrake. Now, Handbrake can do a single video file, or if you're like me and want to do multiple files at a time, you will click Folder. Now, my folder is labeled Brindley Christmas, and it has 3 different videos in there that I would like to convert. The first thing we need to do is tell Handbrake where we want our converted videos to be saved. So we will go up to Tools, Preferences, Output Files. Okay, and the default path is where it will save. So we want it to save to the Converted Videos folder that we created earlier. So we will select that folder. Go ahead and go over to the Video tab, and where it says the average bit rate, go ahead and put in 1500. And this should help with the jumpiness of your videos. We want to add all. This will add all of our videos in that folder to the queue. So for me, I had 3 videos in my folder, and you can see that all 3 of those are in the queue ready to be converted. Okay, so once that is, all of my videos are in the queue, it is set to fast 1080p. I know where it's going to be saved. We go ahead and start encode. Okay, and then we will wait for it to be encoded. Once the queue is finished, we should be able to close out Handbrake and open up our Converted Videos folder that we created on our desktop. And all of our videos should be there, and they are ready to be placed on your Candid Keeper book. Awesome. Well, I hope this tutorial helped. If you still have questions, please feel free to email us at info@candidkeeper.com, and we will do our very best to help you. We want the best experience for you and your Candid Keeper. We hope you enjoy.